Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this pre-owned 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the Jeep today, just show you some of the features and options that this Grand Cherokee has to offer. So as you can see, it is in your black paint finish, accented by your chrome badging across the unit. It does come loaded with some great features as we come around towards the back. Of course, you do have your backup camera equipped back there, as well as your rear park sensors. As you can see across that bottom back bumper, power liftgate also equipped back there. You can see in the back, decent amount of cargo room back there for you to store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. That second row also does fold down when those seats aren't needed to give you a little bit of added space. Your spare tire just down and below there. Again, just your power lift gate. So just to check out some of the features inside here. So the Jeep itself can sit up to 5 passengers. You can see in that second row, decent amount of legroom back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You do have your heated second row seats as well as some USB port hookups back there. Seats themselves are a leather seat, so do offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. They are in good condition across the unit as well. Checking out some of the features up front here. So your touchscreen display area, so very user-friendly interface with that Uconnect system equipped in here. So of course access to all of your audio media controls built in through there. Climate control options are also accessible in through your touchscreen. So you do have your dual climate control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth capabilities, navigation, and access to some of the apps and settings. Just below your screen, again, access to, of course, all of your basic audio media controls, climate control options down in through there. USB port hookups just below that. A little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area. Key fob for the Jeep right here, so you do have your push button start just in behind. Remote start is also included, so a great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mount controls, you do have access to your cruise control options in on there. Adaptive cruise control is equipped. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities accessible in on that left hand side. Audio media controls in behind the steering wheel. All of your power windows, locks, side mirrors, memory driver's seat. And as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen, this Jeep does have 81,014 kilometers currently on it. So that is just a quick look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.